terrible. Now, is he not accurate? Is that why he has to redo it?
He keeps. Yeah, I don't know what he's doing. I don't know.
See, I didn't make
I'm
the
just
plate.
kidding, I'm sorry.
See, I didn't make the plate. So see, that's why it's bouncing. That's not my fault.
He says it's not his fault. No, I'm just kidding. No, I was just wondering what you're doing. I don't know. But I was just curious.
What's happened is, you know, and can I help you with that? You know how I would do it?
I'm done.
Trial and error?
Okay. Good enough?
So you have to estimate and then line it up?
Okay. So, here's how you can maybe find your way out of it.
Hit it harder?
Hit it harder.
I'm just kidding. Just it. It's a pretty large machine. Yeah, my dad, he was making gauges out of his house. You've been doing this a long time?